Hello guys, good day. So this is Godfred, the CEO of Mission Beats. Yes, so I make beautiful designed beaded bags. You can equally bring your style or your design and I'll surely and gladly make it for you. So in today's video, I'll be introducing to you one of my best designs that I made. So I made this bag way back in 2023. That was where I designed this bag. I call it the briefcase, or you can simply call it briefcase bag. Yeah, so looking at it, I believe you can guess where the name briefcase comes from. It comes from the handle. Yes, the handle. That is all about the design. So I saw this briefcase, and I had always had the idea of replicating that design, the briefcase bag. Yeah, so I was just there one day and I said, why don't I do something with my sugar beads? This is actually called a sugar bead. I don't know how you call it though, but I call it a sugar bead. So the whole name centers around the hand, which is shaped like a briefcase. And as you can see, this is not the normal one that just has the bead attached to the handle. It actually has how do we call it, this locks over here, which attaches the beads to the handle. So it's very flexible. And aside that too, the handle, the flap is beautifully halved shaped. I hope you can see. Yes, so which brings out or gives it a classy look. And someone might ask, won't your items fall whilst when you load it heavily? No, your items will not fall because it has these two strong press studs here, which holds it very firmly. And for the press studs, I added this because this couldn't hold it enough. Yeah, one would ask, why wasn't that one enough to hold it? You might just use that one, but you see the handles, this is for the left hand side, then the right hand side. It has two sides which holds it to become the handle. So in case if or should in case I had only used one, which is the button part, this are the bag would have been. Whilst you hold it, it would open and I don't know, your item might fall or something. So I thought it wise to add this very one, the one at the top, so that it can firmly hold your bag very well. So this part holds this handle, then the other one to equally pulls this one to it. And it's actually very spacious. As you can see, it has 5 beads in line here, which makes your bag very spacious. And over here, I think it's 14 as well. These beads are the sugar beads. The white colored sugar beads are actually big in sizes, so this is what it will give you. And moving into it, I think this bag is spacious enough to carry your makeups, your phone, like as a lady, I mean anything, your AirPods, like just name it, anything that you wish to carry to that small date or your hangout. Maybe you wish to go to a friend's party or wedding or something, you're invited, you can actually carry this bag along. And for some of the occasions that you can take this bag to, as I said, you can equally take it to your friend's wedding, a party, maybe how do you call it, a dinner date or something, just name it, church. It can actually carry your Bible and maybe probably your hymn book or something, anywhere, just name it, to your office and a whole lot. So it's available. Sorry, this is actually sold out. This is actually sold, but I can equally make one for you when you order. So it's going for a cool 220 Ghana cedis, just 220 Ghana cedis. So DM me if you need one. I know you can send it to your vendor for your vendor to replicate it for you, but trust me, the best place to get it is from the one that designed it, if you actually want to get the same thing. All right, so see you in the next one.